Hi, I'm BJ Schrader, and this is Wendell Young. We're with McWayne Technical Services Group, and today we're going to show you how to snap 4-inch cast iron soil pipe with the Wheeler Rex snap cutting tool. Now this particular snap cutter can cut between 1.5 inch to 6-inch pipe, although other size tools are available. So we're going to work with this piece of 4-inch cast iron soil pipe and show you what we've got to do. So first, we want to adjust the chain on it so that we can get just the right amount of tension. Now to get a good clean cut, you want to score the pipe twice before you snap through it. So once and twice. So you want to use your body weight so that you can get a clean snap on the pipe, like this. And look at that. Clean cut. And that's how it's done with the Wheeler Rex snap cutting tool.